Okay, RPM Tesla, this is Mark making a little solo video. If you've got a Model X and you know about these aluminum sill plates in your trunk, you know how easily they scratch. So these were all aluminum and they were coated over the years in chrome, and now they're coated in black. So it's black aluminum, powder coated. They sure scratch easy. Well, we finally have, in addition to our well-selling carbon fiber vinyl protection pieces, we finally have new ABS plastic, and these are nice. They have a carbon fiber printed pattern. They fit on just like this, and they look great. They will match and complement any of the other carbon fiber products you may have in a car, or just look sporty if it's your first carbon fiber item. But these are really nice, really amazing. We give you 2 sets of adhesive promoter so you can make sure they really adhere well, and they fit like this. So we're going to put them all on right now in this video. You can't put this on upside down. It's going to go on one way like this, and we're going to use double-sided tape. So let's get them all ready. We'll clean it off with alcohol, and we'll come back in a second and we will show you how to apply the adhesive promoter. Okay, now all the tape is started, and we wanted to remind everyone that there's a right side, a middle, and a left. The left, of course, is the driver's side in the US going down the road. So now what we want to do is put the adhesive promoter on in the locations where the tape is going to mate the aluminum part. So in this case, as you can see right here, we're going to make this wet. We're going to make this wet. We're going to put some right here and the last one here. So that will take care of all of these mating surfaces. Same thing here. Same thing here. And it dries really quick. It's super adhesive promoting. So just let that dry for 30 seconds. And then we're going to show how easily this installs. Just peel all the tape backing strips off. We call this the liner. So this is double-sided pressure-sensitive adhesive tape by 3M. Turn it over, hook it right on the edge, and press down. It's that simple. Just push it and apply pressure. It grabs like crazy, and it's installed. I mean, it's that easy. Same thing on the left side, which is the L. Now these are reversible. They're identical in shape in every way, but we just put it in the tooling since we had a left side in our mold. And now we put it down and press. So keep pressing until it sticks good and bonds. Okay, so you'll hear a little ticking sound if it keeps coming up, which means you got to apply more pressure. Just keep on pushing down until each piece of tape, which is one here and here and here and here, are grabbing. So they're not going to come off. Okay, last one is the middle piece, and this is where the latch grabs from the liftgate in this vehicle. So now this one, you can hold it like this and pull up on it, but there is no access, from the sides. So we want to put it on like this, nice and straight and flat. Can't screw it up. You can even take it off if you want. So don't think it's going to grab like it's super glue. It's only going to grab with pressure. So now I'm going to hold it with one finger underneath and push down. Push down on both sides, and then you can push like this once you're secure. So it goes down inside this little cavity, and just apply more pressure. Anyway, that's it. It's installed. It took a whole 3 minutes. It looks great. It's abrasion resistant, very strong ABS plastic. And they're in stock now, ready to ship out as soon as you see this video. And thanks again for watching. We're going to get some pictures, and it's one more great protective surface protection product we offer here at RPM Tesla.